energy security really is a national problem. It's the energy challenge that's at the forefront at the national level. So in GEA, we looked at over 130 countries with over 20 indicators to look at the specific vulnerabilities that each country has. On a global level, the problem that all countries face is oil in the transport sector. And most countries import oil, and oil is produced in very few countries. So there's not a lot of alternatives in terms of suppliers, and the global market is pretty tight. And then finally, people are worried about oil running out. And that combined with the fact that all countries need oil to run their transport systems, because almost all countries run over 90% of their transport from oil, all of those forces combined make oil the biggest global concern. But at the national level, it really differs. For example, in Austria, it's a small country, and it has basically one pipeline, but the pipeline goes to the Mediterranean. So Austria has done quite a bit in addressing its national energy security concerns. Beyond that, to deal with the oil problem, Austria could electrify its transport fleet. We're already seeing transport systems being electrified in some smaller countries. So these countries which are energy islands, which are pretty small and pretty cut off energetically from countries around it. So Israel and Denmark are both electrifying their transport systems. And since those two countries are small, it's relatively easy to set up an infrastructure to accomplish that. For countries like Austria, it's a bit more difficult because it's both bigger geographically and there's more traffic coming through. So Austria might be able to get a lot of Austrians off of oil vehicles, but it's not going to be able to do anything about the cross traffic coming through the country.